Hey everyone, today we are going to see about the importance of worshipping Lord Chandran and what is the best time and ways to worship Lord Chandran. Before entering into the video, please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't and click the bell button next to it. So let's enter into a topic. We have seen or heard many stories of how our ancestors or elders used to have their dinner in the moonlight. They believe that moonlight basically consists of some strong positive powers which will help them to lead a peaceful or happy life. In recent time, we forgot that habit as we are busy with our day-to-day life or work. But it is important to spend some time with our nature, that too mainly in the night time where the atmosphere is so pleasant and the presence of so many stars and planets are visibly seen in the sky. Many tend to wear gemstones to activate a particular planet, but the major role of gemstone is just to absorb the rays coming from the planet and provide it to you. It just acts as a mediator. So what if you stay at a closed door and still expect this gemstone to work? Will it work? No, it will not. For that to work, try spending some time in the outdoors, and the best time to do it will be the night time. The Chandra power will be at its best on the Purnima or Paunami days, where the sky would be at its brightest along with the highlighting all the other planets and stars. The worshipping of sun can be done only during a particular span of time in the day, that is around 6 to 7 am in the morning. But that's not the case for worshipping moon. You can worship moon at any time during the night. There is a story behind moon worshipping and I wanted to tell you about that. We have all heard about Mayans. The Mayan peoples believe that during the Paurnami days, a lots and lots of positive energy will enter into our earth. So they used to fill their tub or drum full of water and they just enter into the water and stay like that for the entire night. They stay in the water for the entire period of night. They used to believe that it helps in activating the 7 chakras of their body. So that's the kind of power a Chandran possesses with it. So Chandran has lots and lots of positive energy in it. So try to get those energy into yourself. These energies will help you in activating the chakras, which in turn helps in maintaining a healthy and happier life. So for all these things to happen, you have to do just stand or stay in the presence of moonlight for at least 10 minutes. A maximum of 30 minutes would be a best, but if you can't, just spend your time of at least 10 minutes in the presence of Chandran. In those times, you can at least do a walking or you can meditate or you can do any other work which you want. But the main important thing is that you have to stay in the presence of Chandran. If possible, you can also bring a water bottle along with you to your terrace or a balcony where you can have the presence of Chandran. As the Chandran's radiation will be absorbed by your water, which you can drink later. You can call the water as cleansed water. As the moonlight consists of lots and lots of positive energy, these positive energy will enter into your body and it help in activating your chakras, or it can also provide you with a positive energy. The above thing which I've told is a simple method which can be done by anybody, but there is also a best method for worshipping Lord Chandran. That would be doing Purnima or Paurnami prayer. This can be done only during the Paurnami days. In those days, around 7 to 7:30 pm, light a lamp in your puja room. If you have prepared any prasadas, you can pray with it, or you can at least use a rock candy and do a puja in your puja room. After doing your puja in the puja room, all you have to do is go to your terrace or balcony and watch your Lord Chandra. But before you go, you have to take a plate completely filled with 9 deepas made of mud. The placement would be 8 deepas surrounding one lamp at the mid. Now fill all the deepas with ghee. If not possible, you can at least fill the center one with the ghee. Surrounding deepas can be filled with any puja oils which you use in your day-to-day life. Along with taking the deepa plates, you have to take a glass filled with water and some prasadas if you have prepared, or you can at least take a rock candy. Now go to your terrace and light all the lamps. Now play songs like Lalita Sahasranamam or any other mantras, whichever you like. If you know to chant Lalita Sahasranamam, you can also chant those mantra, or you can also chant Om Chandraya Namaha, Om Chandraya Namaha, Om Chandraya Namaha for 108 times and meditate. After completing your meditation, you can have some prasad and drink the water which you have placed in the presence of Chandran. You should just spend some time of around half an hour in the presence of moonlight. That's all is required from you. The above process can be done by everyone, but the people who have weaker moon in their horoscope should compulsorily do the Paurnami prayer and also the walking or visiting moon for at least 10 minutes. They have to do it compulsorily. So now I would like to tell you how to find if you have a weaker moon in your horoscope. If you have your Lagna or Lagnadipati or moon in stars like Bharani, Magha, Jyeshtha, Uttara, Bhadrapada, you will have a weaker moon in your horoscope. So you have to activate your moon by spending some time of approximately 10 to 30 minutes in the presence of moon and do a Purnima prayer. These people will face problems like depression, stress, and also they will lack some self-confidence. You will also face problems with your mother, mother-in-law, and your daughter. So to cure all your problems or to remove all your problems from your life, all you have to do is spend some time with Chandran. That's all is required from you. I hope you have liked our video. If yes, please give a thumbs up to us and do comment if you have any doubts or if you had any change in your life after doing the pujas. And if you have found our video as helpful, please do share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much.